Hello everyone and welcome to stupid, funny accident situations and failed jobs. The car in front of him was moving. He was driving at a high speed and taking the turn, but he's lost control of the vehicle and crashed. This car is trying to cross the road. Luckily he didn't hit anybody. This concrete pole is being rolled down the road. I think the pickup truck is going to have a bit of a problem. Yeah. The most damage here is the shards of glass flying everywhere. These are just idiots in cars. Look at that. Oh, come on, bro. The car is gonna run the red light. You caused an accident. This ground is obviously quite hard, so he's swinging himself on the drill. That just can't be, bro. What is wrong with this driver? Are you looking for a crash? Don't play with big trucks. This is a terrible accident in the tunnel. High speeds. Here comes another stupid helicopter pilot. I think the girl is driving the car, but she has one hand on her boyfriend's thigh. This car just drifted in and he forgot to press the brake. The car is out of control driving at high speeds. The car is intentionally trying to pass the train and you're endangering yourself. I think this guy just likes to cause trouble. This man is a little bit careless when working. You destroyed it, bro. Oh, that's just an idiot in the car. The car here is just looking around whatever's in front I can hit. He just keeps going. Idiot. This car is trying to overtake very carelessly. He gets smashed between two trucks. From behind we can see the serious accident. Collision of two cars ahead. The bus is going to crash into something. Wow. Do you think this guy's gonna crash? Wow, and he got overturned. This guy has lost control of the vehicle and he's off the roadway. Wow, this guy is a seriously good driver. What's going on with the limo? Oh, you didn't close the hood of the car. This is a duel between two cars and the results are obvious. These cars are going to collide slightly. The motorcyclist was out of sight and he had a major collision with that car. Oh, this hit is gonna be another good one. Are you gonna run away? Oh, yeah, go, bro, go. Wow, that truck lost control. This fast speed, I know you're gonna cause a collision. Your fast speed is gonna cause a collision, bro. And the car has been overturned. This car is gonna cause an accident when he takes the corner and into the field. What a stubborn move. The girl looks like she's trying to remove the mirror or do some quality hammering. This truck was either defected or hit. Wow, I think that guy was surprised. These sudden changes of direction, you're crossing a road in a lot of danger, man. I think you deserve that. Another bad helicopter. We've got a reckless passing of the car and he's damaged himself. These are some bad turns of the car. Turning right and into the boulevard. This pickup truck has lost control, smashed into the semi, and he's done. This car is just crossing the street. He's getting hit hard. I see an angry driver. Is that road rage? Oh, you harmed yourself. Did the truck hit the car? The reason was that the car was stopped. This is a failed cornering of the big semi. You are dangerously out of control. These trucks are moving way too fast, and you can't react in time. This pickup truck is coming up ahead. It looks like he wants to smash into the bus. This car has a serious problem of smoke and dust. I think the truck is gonna cause a reckless accident. You're turning on a curve, bro. This car is just too hastily. Okay, let's add some new cabinets to the kitchen.
That's what happens when you let Daddy do this thing.
Wow, it's a woman, but she's got a childlike soul. This is an accident whose scope and severity is actually really terrible. I can't believe that. God, look at it go. That's 6, 7, 8 cars. The strong wind. Oh, there goes his teeth. Idiots in cars. The car was moving pretty fast, and it's crashed into a parked car. A lot of cars have been in bad accidents here. Oh, goodbye, eggs! No! That's a stupid driver. Come on. A strong collision between two cars at high speeds. This car is moving quite suddenly, and something blew. He's going backwards, but he obviously doesn't care. Into the garbage bin. I think you're gonna have to call more than a tow truck for this guy. This car was speeding, crossing lanes, and he's gonna veer right off the road. Thank you everyone for watching our videos. Remember to like, subscribe to our channel, press that notification bell to receive the earliest videos. Goodbye and see you again.